how to gain your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. In this video, I'll show you practical strategies that can help you gain your first 1,000 subscribers faster from zero. Firstly, choose one niche. If your channel posts comedy today and football tomorrow, YouTube gets confused about who to recommend your videos to. Choose one clear niche like tech tutorials, podcasts, or business. Create searchable content. Make videos people are already searching for. For example, best free AI tools for creators. This gives your channel a better chance of being discovered. Improve your thumbnails. Your thumbnail is like a movie poster. If it looks boring, nobody clicks. Good thumbnails should be easy to read and create curiosity. Write better titles. Your title should make viewers curious or promise value. Titles can make or break your video. Hook viewers immediately. The first 10 seconds are extremely important. If viewers leave early, YouTube stops recommending your video. Avoid long intros and unnecessary greetings. Upload consistently. You don't need daily uploads, but you do need consistency. You should upload one video every week or 2 videos weekly. Consistency trains both your audience and the algorithm. Use YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts can grow small channels very quickly. Create shorts from funny clips and podcast moments. Shorts expose your content to new viewers fast. Engage your audience. Reply to comments and build a community. Engagement helps boost your videos. Study successful creators. Look at successful channels in your niche. Study their thumbnails and editing style. Don't copy them, learn from them. Stop expecting instant success. Most channels grow slowly at first. Your first videos may only get 10 views or 50 views. That's normal. The key is improving with every upload. Improve your audio quality, promote videos on social media, and collaborate with small creators. If this video helped you learn how to gain your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, hit the like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth and tech tutorials.